Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to try and we're gonna go ahead and finish this up. So this is what we have right here. Okay. And let's go ahead and let's get this done. All right, so here we go. What we're gonna do is now we're gonna populate this information with acronyms. And it will populate a list. Okay, so here we go. Let's go ahead and get down to business. So I am right here. We have this calls our fetch acronym the functionality right here. Okay. Let's go ahead and put a spacer here. Spacer, right? We're not gonna and let's say our frame, right? Our frame is gonna height. I just want a little bit of height. Teen and font. I want the font to be headline. Okay. And I want dot foreground color, color dot accent color, right? Okay. And then what we're going to do, see, you can see right there, have that. Now let's go ahead and we're going to create a do catch. Okay. And we're going to do it like this, do. Okay. So, well, it's not a do catch, it's just a do block. And inside this block, we're going to say if let acronym data. And right here. So basically we're testing to see if this is nil or not, if there's something here. Okay. Now, if we have something here, we're going to say acronym data dot count, right? Greater than 0. And look, we're going to say if acronym data. If acronym data dot count is greater than 0, we're going to look at, well, we need to create a function for acronym ListView. So let's create another struct. Okay. Okay, we're going to create a struct. And this struct is acronym ListView. Struct row nym list view, and is of type view. So we're going to use this within our stack. What is that? H stack, V stack. What is that? You're going to use this within our V stack. Okay. We'll write a struct that is of type view. Okay. Content this view. Okay, let's S of type an array of L. Okay. Okay. Type LF. The content type acronym. Let's see something real quick. Cannot conform. You must add these stubs. Okay. No. I don't have to. Let me show you. Okay, so stop. Okay. Right. And then I'm going to go here. Okay. We're going to see bar. Okay. Body. Of course, sum. And I already explained this in another video. some view. Okay. Now we're gonna say scroll view. Scroll view. Okay. Within the scroll view, we're gonna say VStack. VStack. Alignments. Right. Alignment is dot leading. Okay, and let's get rid of this. Okay, leading. Right. And we're going to say for each LFS, and we're going to say, look, LFS, comma, ID, colon, slash dot LF. Okay. All right. And sorry about that. LFS, LF, and I'm going to say, oh, actually, this is that's actually correct. Actually, text, and then I'm going to say dot frame, right, with frame with 170 HEIGHT height 40. Okay. And then border. Okay. Color dot black. Okay. Width 1. Okay. And I'm going to say dot multi-line text alignment dot leading. Okay. Now that I have this, I'm gonna go back up here. Okay. And I'm going to say right here, acronym list view LFS equals acronym data. The first element in the array dot LFS. Okay. And if let else if right, let error message equal error message. Okay. We'll say text. Error message. Right. Else. Empty view. Okay. View, and we're gonna just put a spacer. Spacer. So let's go ahead and let's do this. All right, so now I'm going to say IL. And there we go. And of course, it's scrollable. Let's say OL. Okay. we'll say okay. All right, so as you can see, I'm pulling back acronyms. So another thing, in order to stop the funky behavior of this text field, on this text field in SwiftUI, I did auto capitalization is none, and I disable auto correction, okay, which is true, okay. That way, when I make changes, I'm not doing all the auto correction stuff, PO, right? Okay. All right. So, yes, this is how you go ahead and implement a networking service. Of course, you're going to do this implementation, not in your view though. You're going to do it in your view model. That's for another video. But yeah, on to the next.